Okay, this question on logical reasoning is of medium level difficulty level, somewhere between somewhere between easy and medium. This is not a tough question. Okay, it's a very simple question. All that you have to do is take care of specific phrases or sentences that is given in the question. Okay, so let's solve this question. This question says in each of the 5 consecutive years, year 1 through year 5, the sports department of a school organized a game in which exactly 5 students participated every year. Every year, at the end of the game, the 5 participants were given 5 different ranks, 1 through 5. The number of points awarded to the participants ranked 1, 2, and 3 were 5, 3, and 1, respectively. No points were awarded to the participants whose rank were 4 and 5. A total of 9 different players participated in the game over the span of 5 years. The following table shows the total number of points garnered by each of the 9 players. So these are the points and those 9 players. Okay. Now, then it says in year 1, Aman, Abbas, Naveen, Urmi and Samir participated in the game. So first year, these 5 people participated in the game. So this for the first year. Next year, Aman was replaced by Rashmi. Next year, Abhas was replaced by Sanjay. Next year, Naveen was replaced by Kanika. And next year, Urmi was replaced by Prashant. That's how this is happening. Okay. Next, it says that once a player was replaced by another player, he should not participate in the game in the subsequent years. It is also known that Kanika was the only participant who was awarded points in 2 consecutive years. Now, this statement is very, very important. If you miss out on this statement, you will get a lot of cases. Okay, so let's try to solve the question now. So this is the table already drawn. Aman and everybody played. The points are given to us. Now let's extend the table, and then we will need to redraw the table. And let's see which all players played the games. So this is first year, second year, third year, in which all years. Fourth year, and this is the final 50 one. Okay. So this is year 1, this is year 2, this is year 3, year 4, year 5, and this is the ranks awarded to them. Okay, first year. Okay, let's complete the table. It will take a moment. So, in the first year, these 5 players played. In the second year, these 5 players played. In the third year, these 5 players played. In the fourth year, these 5 players played. And in the final year, these 5 players played. So, Aman got to play for only 1 year, and his points is 5. So, he was awarded first rank. Abbas was awarded 5 points and he was able to play for 2 years. Now the kind of points distribution that we have is the rank and the points awarded to them. So the first rank person is rewarded 5 points, the second rank is awarded 3 points, and the third rank is awarded 1 point, and the ranks at 4 and 5th, they are not awarded anything. So if I look at this, Abbas cannot come first over here, and in 2 years he cannot total of 5 using 3s and 1s. So he definitely was first in one of the 2 years. Now first year is already taken, right? So second year we have Abbas. So Abbas will be awarded rank 1 sometime. So we are done with Aman, we are done with Abbas. Next comes Naveen. Naveen is awarded 8 points. Now, if I want 8 points in 3 years, Naveen played for 3 years. So, if he was awarded a total of 8 points, the only way we can see this 8 points is 5 plus 3 plus 0. If I use 5, then plus 1 won't add it to 8. And if I start with 3 and 1, that won't also add up to 8. So his ranks were first, second, and either fourth or fifth. Now, if I look at Urmi, she played for 4 years and she was awarded a total of 2 points. Now, that means she never stood second, nor she stood first. So she stood third twice. If I look at Samir, he played for 5 years, so he may have stood first once or he may have stood third 5 times, right? So we cannot say definitely a lot about Samir. Let's start from the end. Prashant, he played 1 game and he was definitely 4th or 5th. Kanika played 2 games and she scored 10. So definitely she was awarded rank 1 and 1. So that is known to us. Now Sanjay, he was awarded 4 points from these 3 games. Definitely he never stood first, otherwise he would have awarded more than 5. So he stood second once and once third, and once he was either 4th or 5th. Now let's look at Rashmi's combination. She was awarded, she's played for 4 years and she was awarded a total of 6 points. So it may be a combination of first rank and third rank, that is 5 plus 1, or it may be second and second, or it may be second, third, and third, right? So there are going to be a lot of combinations. Now the next thing to understand is if there were 5 years, so we can have only 5 people who stood first, only 5 people who stood second, and exactly 5 people who stood third. And 4th and 5th is something that we will not take care of as of now because points they do not consider 4th and 5th. So how many first rank holders do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we do not have 5 as 5 points that has come from first rank. So first rank is already taken for the 5 years. If I look at the second rank, I have 1, 2, I require 3 more second ranks. So 3 more second ranks has to be from some place, from Samir and Rashmi only, because all others are already taken. And similarly, if I look for third rank, I already have 3 third ranks. I need 2 more third ranks. So I have drawn a table, the next table, because if I use pen, it's not going to be very clear. So we will fill that table up now. So this is the table. So in the first year, rank 1 was held by Aman. In year 2, first rank was held by Abbas. In third year, the first rank was held by Naveen. In 4th and 5th year, the first rank was held by Kanika. So she stood first twice. Now, let's look at the second, third and all those ranks. Now, since Naveen stood first in year 3rd, he cannot stand. See, if you look at Naveen's ranks, okay, forget about this 4th or 5th. First and second, and he played for 3 years. And apart from Kanika, nobody else was awarded points for 2 consecutive years. That means if Naveen stood first in 3rd year, he will definitely must have stood second in the 1st year, because if he stood second in the 2nd year, then that means there are continuations. So Naveen stood second in the 1st year. So this is done. Okay. Now let's look at Samir's combination. Let's fill this up. So we require 3 second ranks. So 3 second ranks are required. So we may have combinations of 3 second ranks. Now, let's say this is 6. Can I have this as second ranks and third ranks in the combination of, let's say, he stood second and then he stood third and he stood third, because this will not add up to 6, right? And if he was awarded ranks or points in 3 years, but Rashmi played for only 4 years, so the points were awarded for alternate years. It can never be consecutive. So we cannot accommodate 3 successive values to 4, I mean 3 values to 4 successive places such that they occur alternatively, right? So this combination is ruled out. This definitely tells us that Rashmi was awarded points at alternate years. So only 2 cases and she needs to add up all her points to 6. So definitely this is going to be another 3 and 3. So we have a total of second rank and second rank. So total of 4 second ranks we have. So 5th second rank, and we have a total of 3 third ranks. So we require 2 more third ranks. So that is awarded to Samir. So we get this. We have 5 first rank holders, we have 5 second rank holders, and we have 5 third rank holders. Now, if we require 2, 3 and 3 to be accommodated at 5 places alternatively, so one has to be this, another one has to be in year 3, and the last one has to be in year 5. If I'm looking at third and third rank, so first rank is already taken, second rank is already taken, this rank has to be a third rank, which is definitely going to be taken by Samir. So these 2 alternate are definitely second year and 4th year. Right? Abhas already took the first rank. So every column needs to have 3 circles, since we are circling those crosses which are who are awarded points. Now, if you look at Sanjay, his is 2, 3 and 0 points. So alternate, he should be awarded at alternate. So this becomes 1 and the another one becomes this. So let's fill up the values. So Aman was awarded first rank. Aman was awarded first rank in year 1. So Aman was awarded first rank in year 1. Similarly, Naveen is awarded second rank in year 1. So in year 1, who was awarded the third rank? It is Samir. So Samir was awarded the third rank. So Samir's 1/3 rank is gone. Aman's first rank is gone. Naveen's second rank is gone. Now, Abhas was awarded first rank in the second year. So Abhas's first rank is gone. Now let's look at the second and the third rank. If I look at this, Rashmi is going to be awarded second rank in year 2 and in year 4. So this is going to be second rank. This is first rank from Abhas. So this has to be third. So this also has to be third. So in year 2, Urmi was awarded the third rank and Rashmi was awarded the second rank. In year 3, first rank is taken by Naveen. Now, if I look at Samir's value and Sanjay's value, if Samir takes up a 2 over here, then Sanjay will take up a 3. If Samir takes up a 3 over here, Sanjay will take up a 2. So we may have Samir over here or Sanjay, and accordingly we will have Sanjay or Samir. Okay, let's look at the 4th year. The 4th year is third rank is already taken by Urmi, so let's fill this up. Third rank by Urmi. First rank is by Kanika. So we are left with only the, okay, my mistake. Third rank is in the 4th year by Urmi. This is not Urmi. And first rank is taken by Kanika. So first rank is taken, third rank is taken. So Rashmi has to be second rank, which already she was going to be awarded the second rank in the 4th year. So Rashmi is going to have the second rank. Now, the final year. Final year, the first rank is taken up by Kanika, and the second and third rank, okay, right? So if this becomes second, this becomes third, and if this becomes second, this becomes third. So we have an alternate cases, because one second rank and one third rank, they both are open for Sanjay and Samir. So if we have Samir over here as the second rank, so we will have Sanjay over here as the third rank, or we'll have Samir, and if we have Samir over here, we will have Sanjay. So the only two cases we are going to have is in year 3 and year 5. Okay, so if I look at the time, it must be probably over 10 to 15 minutes. It's around 10 to 15 minutes, but since I'm explaining, it's going to take a lot of time. If you start doing it yourself, thinking, it's going to take lesser time. So let's start answering the questions one by one. Okay. So if Samir was given rank 3 in year 3, then who was given rank 2 in year 3? So let's look at this, that if Samir was given rank 3 in year 3, so if Samir was given rank 3 in year 3, so rank 3 in year 3 if Samir was given, then who was given rank 2 in year 3? Then who was given rank 2 in year 3? It was Sanjay, right? So the right answer, right option is C. Now let's look at the next question. At the end of the game in year 4, the total number of points awarded to how many participants out of those who had participated in the game at least once was lesser than the total number of points awarded to Rashmi? So if we look at the tables that we have drawn, we can see that at the end of the game in year 4, so at the end of the game in year 4 at the end of the game, every participant except Naveen has been awarded lesser number of points than Rashmi. So up to here, Naveen is the only person who was awarded a lesser point than Rashmi. And Prashant had not participated until then, right? So there are a total of 6 participants. So we have a total of 9, and Rashmi is already the reference point, Prashant did not participate, and Naveen was awarded lesser number of points. So we are left with these 6 people who were awarded lesser points than Rashmi at the end of the game in year 4. So the right answer is going to be D. Okay. Next question. In year 5, what was the ratio of the number of points awarded to Sanjay to that of Samir? So in year 5, so if I look at year 5, back to the table, I can see that Sanjay and Samir, they both were awarded rank 2 or rank 3. So if Sanjay's was rank 2, he was awarded 3 points, and if Samir's was rank 3, he was awarded 1 point. And if Samir was rank 2, he was awarded 3 points, and hence Sanjay will be at rank 3 and he will be awarded 1 point. So the ratio of the points awarded to Sanjay is to Samir can be either 1:3 or 3:1. So we do not have a definite answer, so the final answer is going to be